We got Kushnip on the track.
Yo, what's up guys? This is 5FX back again with another video. So guys, today I'm going to be talking about my beginning stages, man. Because I know people want to know, because I just popped that out of YouTube, man. And I was just, so guys, let me tell you my story, guys. So I discovered trading, let me say, mainly from my brother. But it was confusing. So when I discovered this, it was like when I was still young, like I was in grade form 1. So I would see my brother looking at the computer. There are some bars, and I would ask, what is this, and he would say, when you grow up you would understand. So that was the first time I encountered trading, man. So down the line, I finished high school, right? And I failed my English. Guys. It's an embarrassment. So guys, when I failed English, my mom said you can go to a library at my workplace so that you can study on your English and get better grades. So when I was doing that, I was fascinated, man. It just came into my head an idea that if I can type on this computer and do a lot of things, maybe I could earn money from this, man. It was just an idea from the brain, man. And I just researched ways to make money online. And I saw some pop-ups. There was some ad watching, YouTube, Forex trading. So Forex trading, man, it was not really my interest. I was interested in cryptocurrency, guys. So when I was doing this cryptocurrency, man, I was watching adverts for Satoshis to get some Satoshis, which is a fraction of a Bitcoin. So I was doing these adverts, man. It was not really making money. Then I stumbled upon Pico workers doing micro tasks. I really didn't make any money, so it was really a struggle for me to make money online, guys. That's the truth. But when it now started to make sense is when I found out where to buy those Bitcoin and stuff. Because I really found out Bitcoin when it was about 9,000. That's when I discovered about Bitcoin. But I really didn't have any money to put into Bitcoin. I discovered Litecoin when it was about 14 bucks. I put $1 once, but I got scammed online. So guys, well now, so I was doing this crypto stuff. So when it started to make sense is when I found someone to sell me those cryptocurrencies, man. So when I got those cryptocurrencies, I found out a way, man. When you start connecting yourself to the universe, guys, the universe gives you what you want. So I was doing some research, man. I went crazy, man, doing some research, and I discovered shitcoin trading, which is in cryptocurrency, guys. So I was buying coins when they launched. So some of them were rug pulls, some of them were honeypots, but anyways, we were in the game. So I would buy a coin while it's at 0.0001 and waited for it to 10x to the moon. So I would do that, guys, and I really didn't make any money because I was using my phone. Because those kind of stuffs, man, you need a laptop, you need proper gadgets, guys, which are fast, because you'll be you'll be competing against other buyers, guys. So you have to be a first buyer, because if you come in late, man, you are going to buy the top and everybody's going to sell and you're going to hold the bag, man. So it was that, man. So when I was doing that, man, I was watching also. I was doing a little bit of Forex on the side, reading books, watching videos, and doing stuff, because my mindset was, when I get money from this crypto, man, from this Bitcoin, I'm going to put it in the Forex market so that I can just make it those quick money. I just had the mindset of the beginners, man, making quick money. So when I discovered about Forex, man, when I started to make it now serious, man, it was now in February. February. So I started trading cryptocurrency, which was Bitcoin. I would trade it on futures, on storm gain, you know what I mean, and I would 10x my position and blow that whole amount of money in one day, guys. Which was crazy. So I learned a lot from my mistakes. So February I deposited my first amount, which was $30, and in one day, let me say 5 minutes, I blew that $30, which was amazing. And it was, my heart was pumping fast, man, when I was in that position. So when I put that money, the next month I learned and learned and learned and learned. I learned a lot, and I deposited again. This time I did not lose that money all at once. I traded for about 2 days and blew that amount again. I didn't even put a stop loss. I was just entering like a crazy person, because I was studying about the market trends and stuff. So I would hold the trade. If it goes to my stop loss, I did not have a stop loss, by the way. So if it went down, I would hold the trade until it went to the moon, guys. So it did not happen like that, guys. I blew. So I blew from February until, let me say, March. Then I switched. I went to synthetic indices, which you can find in deriv, guys. So I was now in synthetic, and synthetic, man, it was crazy, because you can just trade the volatility only and you make money. So the first trade I took on synthetic, guys, I had $20 in the account, guys, and I put one trade and got $5. I put another trade, I got $5. By the end of the day, I had made $200. So now I was now greedy, and I wanted more money, and I blew all that, if you know what I mean, which is crazy, guys. So from March, April, May, June, I was trading synthetic indices, and I got to a point that I now discovered that, man, I need a strategy, man. A strategy is really worth it, so that I cannot trade all this time, man. Because when you keep on doing something every time, guys, your brain starts to register, and the universe brings you the answer, guys. So when I started to see that, man, I now wanted to search for a strategy. I now wanted to put a stop loss, because I have learned a lot from losing that money. Because in Africa we don't get paid a lot. So when you lose like $50, man, it's worth like $10,000 in USA, man, like in Western countries. So when I did that, man, losing those $50, man, it was like 10,000, man. So guys, I lost $1 million. in this world, I lost $1 million, man. So I learned quickly, man. So from June, I was now using those strategy. If you watch my videos, the first videos, I was now catching spikes. I was not risking the whole account, guys. So from that June, I really did not trade really much. I was just learning. So from that period, I then deposited in February, it was in January 2022, 2023, January 2023. I had now had a strategy. I was now using a stop loss. I just came like a new person, man, and I started to see some improvements. Like, I would trade, like, I'll put a limit of trades I'm going to trade today. Normally my limit was 3 trades per day, and if those 3 trades hit my stop loss, I was done for the day. And if I make money on that, I'll be good. So with that strategy, guys, for the first month, I doubled a $20 account. I almost tripled it, because I went to withdraw $60 from that account, guys, and I couldn't believe to myself, saying, is this me, guys? Is this really possible? Because I was used to blowing accounts, doing whatever. Because I was used to blowing accounts and never holding trades, never holding that cash capital in my account. So which is crazy. So guys, from that point when I withdraw 60 bucks, I now believe that you can make it in Forex, man. So I went in again, and now psychology was now crazy. Psychology is really real, guys. I was now entering anywhere I find the signal and doing sort of stuff, revenge trading, doing whatever, because I now knew that you can win, because I was used to losing. So from that point, man, I kept on working. Guys, I'm telling you, I watched like YouTube videos, guys. That's why I'm here on YouTube, because I have been seeing too much YouTube. I'm now a YouTube person. So it is what it is, man. So I was learning a lot, man. I was not just sitting and putting money in my account. I was also doing my research. So from this point, from February, March, April, May, guys, so in, let me say, June, guys, things started to make sense, guys. I watched Jeffrey Benson's videos, guys, and everything started to make sense. It made sense even more when I watched some of Tochi's videos, guys, and I use his strategy, but mine is, I have tweaked it a little bit, so it might not be similar now. But Samo Tochi, thank you very much if you're watching this video, which I know you are not, but thank you very much, because it shortened my journey. It looked like I had a mentor, but I really did not have a mentor. So I got the strategy, I got the psychology, I got the risk management, and everything came into place. Now I was now on my way to profitability, all in 1 year 6 months, guys. 1 year 6 months. So I'll be reaching 2 years in February this year, which is in 2024, man, which we'll be celebrating, guys. We'll be celebrating. So everything started to make sense, guys. I was now journaling my trades. I was doing anything. I was doing what professional traders really do, man. So now my brother came in, man. He was like shocked, man, that this guy is now already knowing this much, man. He didn't even believe me, man. That happens, man. People don't believe you because they first want to see the money, but the money doesn't come first, guys. It's the mindset which comes first, guys. Fix up your mindset. I'm gonna repeat that, guys. Your mindset is really important, guys. Right now I may be broke like hell, man, but my mindset is of Elon Musk, guys. My mindset is of Jeffrey Benson's, guys. So that was my journey, guys, which was a crazy one, but I worked really hard to get here, guys, because I knew there was no other way. Because I don't want to be like those other people, who I'm talking about, man. Going to work 24/7, man. Going with your suit and doing this sort of stuff. I want to be free like a bird, man. I want to be free. I'm doing this for the freedom. It may be for the money, but also for the freedom, guys, because the money gives you the freedom. So guys, don't let anyone discourage you, guys, on your journey. Don't let anyone, guys, because people in Africa, man, they only value school, man. School is like the holy grail. If you don't do that, you're like useless, man. They don't even acknowledge you. They don't even put you on those. If there is like a meeting in like a family, you'll be sitting on the floor. If you know what I mean. So guys, don't let anyone discourage you. I'm gonna tell you this truth, guys. Keep on working, guys. Keep on working, because I was a beginner last year, guys. Last year I was just a beginner, trying to figure out stuff, man, making mistakes, knowing what works and doesn't work. And now, guys, by this end of this year, guys, you're going to see for yourself, guys. You're going to see for yourself. I promise you, guys. I promise you, if you're watching this video, man. Yes. So blessings to all of you. Blessings to all of you. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you soon. 5FX, I'm out.